This book is about ways of rethinking the future of agriculture. It's about addressing the problems of land degradation and social deprivation, which basically I think have been major events behind the failure of modern agriculture to deliver food security and bring people out of poverty and malnutrition and hunger. So this book is about how to use traditionally important trees and also the fertilizer trees that ICRAF has worked on for a very long time, and see how together we can develop a generic model for agroforestry which would help to resolve, first of all, the land degradation issue, to rehabilitate land and make that land available, because there is a land shortage now globally for agriculture, and particularly for tropical agriculture, without cutting down new forest. So we need to find a way of rehabilitating that degraded land and bring it back into cultivation, and we need to make sure that that can be done in a sustainable way. So using fertilizer trees gets you halfway there. It gets you from, say, for example, a maize crop of 1 ton per hectare to 4 to 5 tons per hectare. To get the next step from 5 to 8, 10 tons per hectare, we need to generate income so that the farmer can actually buy some inputs such as fertilizer. So in order to do that, I think we need to bring some of the traditionally important trees from the forest back into the farming system. These are the trees that people used to gather as hunter-gatherers from the forest when the forest was everywhere. And now, under modern agriculture, we've lost those trees, and they provide the social stability of many local communities. So if we can bring these trees back into the farming system, use them to bring back tradition and culture, and generate income to improve diets, because these traditional foods are usually very rich in micronutrients, and we could start to see a model that can be then adapted in hundreds of different ways in different parts of Africa, depending on the soils, the environment, and the socioeconomic situation. So the farmers have a choice which of all the huge range of tree species that could meet their local needs and would apply to their local environment.